you insert your hook into just the V, the leg that is closer to you. So one, and then, you know, trying to pull it nearer to you and insert again into the next one. So you should have 1, 2, 3, loop on the hook like this. Then you're going to turn hook and pull through two loops. Then now you're going to do pull through 2 loops. So that's, you have completed 1 decrease. Now I'm going to do one more single crochet, and I'm going to show you the decrease again in case you didn't see it clearly. So here, insert your hook into the leg that is nearer to you 1 time and 2 times. You see that? Then now you're gonna yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Try very hard to pull through. Oops. Yeah. Now you should have 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 2. So you have completed another decrease. Now we're going to repeat the pattern. So insert for the single crochet, and we're going to repeat the decrease. Insert to the leg near to you, insert, tag, you should have 2 now, and complete the decrease. I'm going to do one more time, single crochet, then one more decrease. I hope you see clearly how I do the decrease.